60 on the torque.
Sounds smooth too. The oil pressure was cranked right up there. The fuel ratio is still perfect. Fucking 720 horsepower, 722. And up higher too. Look, it fucking come in a lot higher that time. So that was 7,000 RPMs. Might have to just add just a touch of fuel.
Yeah, good call, good call.
7,000. 105. Yeah, just 113 or something like that. Just add just a touch.
I could work for the Red Sox. The method maybe? Camera operator? Just the additional camera.
A few more pulls just to get it so it's... do one more pull just to get it so it doesn't go off.